So if you guys remember last video, we were demoing a new combine, and one of the things that we wanted to test out was if the old header could run on our new combine. And that is what we have here. We have the new combine that we're demoing out, which is a Case 7250 on our old header, as you can see right here, with the new 7250 combine. And it worked. They do spin a little different, so we're still trying to work out that the way they're spinning. But here's the new, or the header they brought to demo with this 7250. And right now we're going to switch the headers back. So we're going to put this one back on this one, and the 7120, which is our combine, back on this header. So I've spent the last couple of days running the Case 7250 combine that we're demoing, and I want to talk a little bit about some of the things that I have enjoyed about this combine so far. And the first one, of course, is the harvest command that Case has. It does take a minute to get going, to calibrate itself on where the sieves need to be, what the fan speed needs to be, but once it does all of its calibrations, it is super smooth and adjusts the speed as well. And that's something that I have found really nice and easy as far as the operator.